it's all about Linstead Grand Market Massive with the right in festivities. You know, right on my left, you know, you have the juicy parties. So you know which part me there. Right in the heart of the crowd, we start that one there, you see me? No joke, no doubt, bro. Linstead pack. You know what I mean? Juicy parties over there. So make we kick it off like this. So we're gonna start it on the outskirts. You don't know, and then make our way back in. Linstead Town Grand Market. So all my Linstead massive, make sure so now watch the one you right about now. Big up to 10th floor. Big up to all the massive from Linstead. You see me? Welcome to another episode on Jamaica Walk by Linstead Festive. As we say it early, it is early right now, but you know, the crowd just start pick up the right way and thing. So we're gonna go right center camera up to about the hardware, and then we're gonna make our way back in the town to give you another vibe forward inside of the crowd. You see me? No joke, no doubt. As you can see, out there, they say the Scotia Bank there right there, so and things. So big up to everybody who join right now. Let's rock it up this video to 1,000 likes right about now. Let's do this. 1,000 likes, let's go. Big up to Miss Cadine Sterling, big up to Marvin Sinclair, Mark Brown, me I talk about. Big up to Damian Sutherland. What you mean? Watch your tickers, yeah. Whoa. Oh, you mean? Look good, look good, look good. We're outside. Festivity. Youth, move now and make me show you man they must have you. Look what I go on. I don't know what I'm to that G that just come block up the whole vibe. Make me go and see what I go on and thing. You see me? Whoa. You know, so I come mail this year. I'm clear the way. Watch your vibe, watch your vibe. Linstead. 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 Let's do this. Let's do this. We're there, so I go on all a vibe. You know what I mean? We are move through, because I don't know. I hope no copyright no jump on this here. So we can move, because I don't know about your thing go. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. Outside with it. Let's do this, man. Madam bad. Peace officers in their own. Same speed, no joke, no doubt. Blessed my boss. Yeah. Alright, so we just want to start off this the right way on the outskirts so you can see exactly what's going on. Yeah. The whole place from up, no joke, no doubt. So as I say massive, please may I ask you if you like the video. Let's get this thing to 1,000 likes. And all of my Linstead massive, make sure someone start comment first. You see me? Me need my Linstead people, them original Linstead people, them to start comment first. Linstead Grand Market. See? No joke, no doubt. So I'm gonna walk a little bit more out of the town and then make my way back in and then go all under the nook and granny them off Linstead town. See? I'm gonna capture the right vibe and everything. This won't be a narrating video, no heap of talking. Just wanna listen, look, and just hold a vibe like on the day. You see me? That is it. Let's go, you know what I mean? I'm gonna say only thing with them things they are doing them, I hope so the copyright from the sounds them and all of them things, there won't be a bother. But we have to take our time and go through same way and see if we can figure out some way around it as we go through. Because you know Jamaica is a nice country when it comes on to music. We don't do nothing at all if we not play music. If we are cook, we play music. Everything, music. Alright, so this is as far as I'll go for Grand Market night. We are going right at the Jane Bank and we are going to start it from there and go down into the crowd the right way. Whoa, look over KFC. We have to go over there. Yeah, make we start here off over KFC. That's all. Alright, one gate there, so we go through, so we could do it like this. Let's go. So the clappers not for your bus and the man them still a bus them.
They must say jump man every clapper.
Yeah, I want to not get fined and lock up for night. Them not hear about the clappers, they say clappers is illegal. If you have to catch you, them are gonna lock you up. And them not here. Here with the clappers then, brother. Yeah, watch us step down that further. Alright, so we'll go back into the town. So far, Linstead festive. So I can see how festive it can get as we go through. But this video is all about the vibe. All about the vibe. Let's go. Outside with the massive, no joke, no doubt. Let's go, man, let's go. In at the festivities. Let's go, boy. Party Central, Linstead. Let's do this. Remember, if you like the video, please, me I beg you, please like the video. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the thing. See it? That is it. That's a code. Let's move through. If you don't love what I go on, please, me I beg you, subscribe to the channel. See? With them nice vibe there. See Jamaica in them style here. So this is one of the outskirts, so we just stand up at the island plaza over here, so see? Yeah. And we're gonna make our way, go straight back up in the town. I don't know where I capture the natural vibe, the natural ambiances, see? So let's go. The natural ambiances of the town, natural ambiances, the whole vibe. Less talking, more watching and listening, see? not too far from Memo Lane. You're not away from me. If the wind is a white, we can sail away. Just look out and see. We can send you miracles. Wait and see. Believe in me. Yeah. Then you sailing just takes me away from where I'll always wanna be. How I will, yes. Big up Tony Curtis, you see me? We go over the park, yes sir. I'll be there for you. I love. Never gonna let you. I'll be there for. I love. Hey. is over the kiddies park, so the kiddies park is lit. She's gonna make her daughter take a picture with the fake Santa. With the fake Santa, like all the Santas are fake. Which one of the Santas are real? She want to take a picture with the fake Santa. Oh yeah, there again, man. Yeah, the dogs. Santa fake. Which are the Santa real? And then she make her daughter take a picture with the fake Santa, like which Santa real? I was like, what? What did you say? Afraid of him. Okay. Oh God. None of them have been on the Santa leg. Yo, pity them afraid of the clown, them afraid of the Santa. Oh gosh. Oh, go on over here, say hello. Oh, look like I don't know what go on over here, say. Second sip. Thing, bro. Alright, let me go back through this, because God knows. Come through when we beg her. off the road to brave. Kids them have fun, you know? Yeah. But it's illegal. But it's better than bossy over here so than over on the plaza and the road. The police are like them over there. What? If them are bust it in the road. Yeah. No, that the police can't differentiate if something happen or not. Yeah, if them in the road or plaza, them are bust it. Yeah, I'm hold on them because if something happens on the road or in the alley, then they can't tell us. So it's like them out there wasting time then. I remember I know that sound just like shots, you know. Alright, mega stroll through, boy. Yeah, go back to me, that way. Place pack up. We are trying to go through. We don't know which way to go. Traffic. Alright, we're outside. So that's over the kiddies village. go by park. Let's go, man. I tell you. So when I check it out, I've been telling you, Jamaica nice this, so I'm going to go try probably talk over some of the even copyright here. Because God knows the blows are for it. I don't know how I can avoid it right now. But to get the muting device, I need to get back the muting device so I can cut out some of them things. And if I tell you, Jaja know. Why me I tell you the truth? I miss my days when I normally just forward at them and look out feet right through the ear. Right through the ear you look out for Grand Market night. Now I hope that the kids them still look out for Grand Market like how we used to, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, so this is one of the next outskirts massive. Yeah. So, you know, a place barricade, actually some police are trying forward through it and thing. Yeah. So if you just watch, please, may I beg you to continue watching. Yeah, my teacher. No, you know, Jamaica walk by. No, actually at this. At this. Yeah, man, I saw it tough, man. If you hold this, move it. What that for? It's a camera. Jamaica walk by is a YouTube channel. Big up and respect. God, that's gonna ground. Hear that? Yeah, so it's all about Linstead Grand Market. It's always a vibe. Me always glad when I see police them, because you know you feel some form of security in the place, which is great. You understand? So this is another outskirt of the town. So we are gonna just make our way go back in the town for another outskirt. You see? So this is how it works. So this is how we did it. See? So the barricade signifies say, yo, no, only police alone drive up, go up in the town. You see me? Yeah. No joke, no down. Let's do this. One thing about the new vehicle, me love it, you know. Me I hope so love it the same way, you know. Yeah, man, it look nice to me not tell no lie. Look up on the engine. Whoa. Guidance on the ground, bro. Yeah. So these are the new police vehicle that were actually donated from, I think it's China or Japan. It's one of them. If I'm not China or Japan, donate them new vehicle. Them seem strong. I like how them sound, it seems nice and it's a vibe. So let's just keep watching, let's go. So let's do this. So we'll go back into the art. We'll go back into the art of the festivities, see? Let's go. Alright, let's go. So what you can find down here, jerk chicken, food, party vibe, clothes are sell. There's so much things going on right now. The Grand Market, yeah, it's a vibe. So big up to Arma Linstead massive again, and everybody who stay tuned right now and still a watch. Big up to my members on YouTube. You know what I mean? To be a member, there's a link in the description, you know what I mean? Gonna get chance to watch videos first and stuff like that. So big up to everybody who actually a member of Jamaica Walk By. One love. No doubt, no doubt. You hear that? So let's move through. Yeah, let's do this. We have to make sure we move fast out of them copyright, because we can't work with the massacre right now. We not work with the massacre. Big up massacre see away, but we can't make him play up on the channel just like that, because we can't do the copyright, especially at a time like this. You see me I say? Yeah. But I must say, the ladies them come out, the G them outside, you know what I mean? I represent for all like man them, you know what I mean? Which is great. The ladies them banging. No joke about that every single year when it comes on to Grand Market. You see me I say? Yeah. Fashion always like changes every single year. Every single year the fashion change. I don't think we repeat no fashion yet in Jamaica like that. Only thing we see I come back in now are the big pants. But not everybody are beating. Let's go.
All price for clothes, lady. Any money you have, come with it.
That is it. Any money I have, forward with it. Give them now, well, no price for clothes. Let's go, away there. Let's go. I could go on, the dogs gonna grudge me for the hit, me find a bigger song than mad. Line their body. Let's do this, let's go! Linstead Grand Market, please may I ask if you like the video as you watch, please. Please may I beg you if you not yet like the video, if you're not yet subscribed, please I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel Jamaica Walk By. See? Yeah. And please may I ask if you drop a few comments. Remember you can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. See? One love as you go through. Nice everywhere. Can't catch a break with Ipa Nice. Oh my God. One thing, loads of police. The police presence in Linstead is out of this world, which is really good. Look, police are everywhere. Make you feel a sense of safety still, which is something that I like. You know what I mean? original King Kong.
Alright then, we wanna learn the golden rule. Alright then, see. Good morning, teacher, long time teacher. Alright then,
What part of you know about King Kong? What you know about King Kong?
sister, you got the church.
What you know about the singer here, King Kong?
Alright then,
Hey.
never get a super story, go to the teacher. Alright then, the love my family, come on to the media. Alright then, big jump, jumping in the luna. Alright then, nitty-gritty take a talk for the rest of the media.
Big up old school style, you understand? Hear the one I know. What am I doing? Them a link share. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Automatic pull up. I mean, hey. My own. Let's go. What am I do? Them a lick shit. Upon me name, them a yip yap. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop. Them a lick shit. Upon me name, them a yip yap. Yeah, you know. Yeah, massive old school vibe. Hey! It's all about a Linstead vibe. It's all about a Grand Market night. All heap of old school juggling. You don't know superstars among superstar. Vibes amongst vibes. Linstead! Oh yes! Big up every time. I don't know how we sound that I play, but the sound give me a vibe like I just stay right there, so I'm going to rock and come in. I hope no copyright not get catch on that because I like if you enjoy the vibe. If copyright upon it, you know I'm going to have to cut it out, which I don't want to. So I'm hoping that it's a great vibe and yo, the copyright just stay back and make we leak shot. Name a leak shot. Oh, so we're upon the next outskirt of Linstead, you know what I mean? You know I'm not going to further than this. You understand? No joke, no doubt. As we make my way in the town, big up Linstead every time. It's a great vibe, it's a great energy. Seen? Yeah. So if you're still watching, that is it. That means the vibe nice and it's your kind of vibe. Seen? No doubt, no joke. Seen? So let's do this. Alright, so we're gonna make back our way in the town and see if there's another part that we can probably, you know, visit and to see if the energy is right as well. I don't know. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me just do the outro from now. So if you see the barn door start closing, you know that it's the end of another episode. But we still, remember, we don't move yet. Don't move yet. We're still here. We're still going. So it's all blessings. It's all respect to every massive. All my members on YouTube, one love. See? Super appreciate every one of my subscribers. See one day we all comment. See one day we all like the video. A different kind of love when I get. You see me? Yeah. Why worry? Hey. Yo, occupy the restaurant and bar. Love the vibe. Easy Godfather, vibe sweet. Love the energy, I love the vibe. Linstead town, you've been good. Why worry? God bless the day you found you. to stay around you and then forever, baby, yeah, let it be me. But I know see my style and then old school, straight. Hey. Worries in the dance, worries tonight, worries in the dance, worries, bomba, Frankie Paul, never yet still. Remember me telling her that, worries, whoa, hey, sluggy, aye. My time just passing on music, but you don't know, the vice still have one doing thing. God is good, not true? All the time. Let's go. Mega run. So let's do this. Linstead. So you know the ties are out. And the kids them happy because mommy and daddy are spent. Not true? Yo, you can see the ladies them out in them cargo skirt, cargo shorts. Majority of the fashion that you see downtown, that's the fashion you see in the street. And it look good. You understand? Yeah. You don't know the Betty Boop outside, the Cartel Freedom Street them outside. Yeah. I did think that you'd have seen more of them there, but you know people them are wait on the 31st. Yeah. Spirit got a show. That is going to be a show. Let's go. It's a vibe and it's great. We're going right back into the crowd again and think before we move through. Yeah. Let's go. Make the move through. Fast. Can't deal with the copyright. Oh my word. Woo! Outside with it. Outside. Let's go. Music never win. Oh God, let's go. Pull up the sound, let me pass. Jaja know. Grand Market, Linstead. So yeah, this has been a tour of Grand Market in Linstead. Blessed love, make sure say you like the video. Please may I ask you to drop a comment in the comment section. I've been on a roll, so one love, blessings and respect to everybody. Saying no joke, no doubt. Saying blessings and respect. Signing out on Jamaica Walk By. Yeah man.